Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So we had a customer that just came in with a Grand Design RV, and they had obviously a bunch of stuff gone wrong. If you've been following us, they had bad brakes, metal on metal, drums were all chewed up, bearings were all worn out, so they got all that new stuff replaced. But her springs were shot, and she had a CRE 3000 set on here, and they were cracked, as well as that we did frame cracks. And this particular, behind this crack, they actually had 3 cracks behind there, so we fixed all those. But a customer asked me, says, hey, what maintenance is needed on the slipper spring system after it's done? Well, literally, the only thing that there is there's 4 wet bolts. There's 1 wet bolt on each of the ends, and there's 1 wet bolt on each of the fronts. So you basically have 4 places to lube on this coach. Other than that, when you go in, I'd say once a year for your wheel bearing pack, for your regular maintenance, I would go back and check the torque of actually the mounting bolts for the springs. You can check the torque for these guys. You can check the torque on the shocks itself. But other than that, there's literally no maintenance. These springs, if you followed my other videos, these springs are designed to glide in and out, so they slip in and out over the humps. And now everything is in more of a true alignment, so all based off of all the hangers and stuff on the coach. So you're going to increase your tire wear, or actually loosen your tire wear. You're basically going to get around 25% additional life is what they tell you on the tires. So anyways, stay tuned for more, and we hope you like this. Thanks so much for watching.